Hi, I am Naman Jha, and this is Sehat Sati, an AI-powered rural healthcare guidance assistant built as a part of the Google for Startups Prompt to Prototype program. So, let's I give my introduction. So, hi, I am Naman Jha, first year data science student from IIT Madras, currently working as a project intern at Scalar AI Labs. Also, I am the part of a team of web operation front-end dev. I've done my marketing rep intern from IIT Bombay. Also, I am the past contributor and mentor from GSOC 25 and Operson's contribution India. So I've done some market research and I found something weird. India's rural population is rapidly adopting smartphones and internet access, but healthcare access has not scaled at the same pace. Digital health is growing, yet first level guidance is still missing for rural users. So from this, I conclude the main three problems that majorly rural peoples are facing. So the problem one is the decision confusion. The first problem is confusion. Many people don't know when a symptom is serious enough to visit a clinic and when it can be managed at home. This leads to delayed treatment or unnecessary travels. For problem 2, it's mainly create a barrier of language and literacy. Most healthcare apps use English or medical terminology, which is difficult for rural users with low literacy or regional language preferences. And the problem 3 is unsafe digital advice. Problem is safety. So some digital tools provide diagnosis or medicine suggestion without a doctor, which can be dangerous. Responsible boundaries are critical. So, is there any solution? Yes, Sehat Sati. So, the wait is over and I am showing you the live demo of Sehat Sati. Just opening the app, you can see the various regional language and user can choose whether to operate this website as a Hindi language or Marathi or Maithili or Bhojpuri or English. If user want to register himself, he or she can register. But the register process is not necessary. If user want to use this app without logging in, they can use it well. If user want to directly call the ambulance or police, at the bottom I have created a button so the user can directly call the police or ambulance in case of emergency. You can see the various sections where the first section is symptom. So in this you can write when you got fever, when you get cough, cold, etc. The next section is health tips. Here you can see the health tips and what to do, when to do and how to do, what you have to avoid it, what you have to eat it. Next section is medicine store. If you are not able to go to any medicine store, you can directly choose the medicine, add to cart and book. After proceeding checkout, you can easily fill your all details. Medicine deliver you at your location at to 15 minutes, just like fast delivering app. So now order is successful. Now we are moving ahead. So the next our main is AI assistant. This AI assistant is mainly focused and assist your symptoms. So I simply write that hello buddy. So the AI assistant is replying me. So I have written having fever from last 10 days. So the response is coming and you see the result. Now moving ahead. Also the game changer is government scheme. Many people in rural areas don't even know the basic schemes that they can apply. This shows daily trending schemes which can be help to the rural peoples to grab these schemes. Also there is an option of nearby hospitals. Here you can easily get the location of nearby hospitals and also get the hospital number. So this much only. Here is my contact details. Thank you.